Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Ultimate App Maker. In this training video here, I want to show you how to create your very first iPhone app. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is become an app developer for Apple. And I did a quick search for that exact term, Apple App Developer. And if you scroll down, you're going to come across the developer site here, developer.apple.com. And we're going to look for this link here, Apple Developer Program. So if you click on this link, this is going to take us to the enrollment page. Okay, you can see here now there's two options to enroll for Apple. First as an individual, or the second as an organization. If you've got a business, you can register as your business name. So choose which one's going to best fit you. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see this very fine print here. There is a $99 fee to become an Apple developer. That goes right to Apple, not Ultimate App Maker. So this kind of just weeds out the people that aren't very serious. Plus it keeps things a lot more organized for them as well, and you get dedicated support, so it's well worth it. Plus, think about all the people that have iPhones and iPads out there. It's a huge marketplace, a ton of money to be made here in this app store. So once you sign up, click on it, start your enrollment, fill out your information, get going. The next thing you need to do is we need to start creating our very first iPhone app. So step number 2 is once you log into the app maker, you're going to come to this page here. And this is going to be a list of all the new templates that we've just launched. If you scroll down, there's going to be all these different pages here. And don't worry, you don't have to go through all these pages to start finding your best template. What you're going to want to do is scroll to the top here, and we've got this link, templates at the top. Click on that, and we've got a much more organized way to start looking through our templates. So you can see on the left-hand side, we've got all the different categories. We've got blank templates, sports, restaurants, entertainment, business, design, events. If you scroll down a bit more, we've got e-commerce and games here as well. And all of our templates right on this page are organized by the latest release. So these are our latest release templates here. We're launching them all the time, so keep an eye out for new template releases. And if you actually click right into these images here, you can get a better look of how this template is going to look. So you can see here there's a home, about, location, notifications. These are going to be tabs. You've got the main header here, and then a bunch of different pages and icons here. If we click on another image, you can see this internal page, how it looks. So we can go into this template and start messing around, customizing it the way we want to do. And I'm going to do that. So once you decided on this template, I'm going to use this BizApp template for this example. Click on Select. Okay, and then you got a quick little glimpse of how this template is going to look. And then you can go use this template. And then we just got to name our template. So I'm going to name this BizApp1. Okay, and what I did Biz space app 1. And I just want to show you this. If you leave a space there, if you click Create, you can see we got an invalid app ID. All we need to do is remove that space. So now it's just BizApp1. Okay, and now we can actually select the device we want to start creating our app for. Because we're going to be doing for iPhone, we're going to select iPhone here. But we got the option of iPad, Android, Kindle, and web app. And then we just click on Next. Okay, here we go for standard tabs. What those tabs are, those are going to be those top bar at the top I talked about before. We got the option of standard tabs. Custom tabs allows you to upload your own icons. We have a wheel option for iPhone, or no tabs, which is going to be just a straight home page, nothing else. So I'm going to go with standard tabs, keep it the same, and go Next. Okay, now we just have a quick couple configuration options before we can start editing this template. So the first option is theme. So what a theme does, if we click on dark here, you can see this top bar changes colors. Standard is light. We've got the option of dark, or if we click on this drop down here, we could do a custom color. If you know a color code, you can enter your color code in here. I'm just going to show you an example. I'm going to click on red, and I'm going to go choose. So this top bar is now red. So it's a real cool way to start branding your app the way you want, which is a subtle little change, but it makes such a huge difference. I'm going to keep it the same for this example. I'm going to go light. Okay, and then content style. This is going to be font size, text color, background image. We're not going to mess around with this because we have a template, but if you do a blank template, you can try this out and test different features out for yourself. Okay, so now the option is app icon. What an app icon is on your home phone screen, you've got all those different icons for apps that you've downloaded. That's what this is for. You can upload your own custom icon, probably one of the most important things you could do for your app. We've got training videos later on. You can show you exactly how to create these and upload this later on. And then splash page. What a splash page is, it's a loading page for your app. When you first fire it up, usually it takes a bit of time to load everything up. So what a loading page does, splash page, it just kind of alleviates that space where you could put a welcome page, your branding, your company name, whatever it is, just a little page here for a welcome message. Again, we've got training videos that will cover this in further detail. I'm going to skip this for now. And then if you click here, app pages, these are all the pages inside of our apps. We're going to ignore this because we're going to edit these later on. So we just got to click on done. And now we're at the app control panel where everything we can do for this app is maintained right here. So we've got edit pages. This is where all our pages are going to be. Page settings, where we can actually add settings to these. Let's say we want to add advertising to a certain page. We're going to do that here. We've got design properties for CSS customizations. We've got navigation settings. Navigation settings controls these bottom tabs here. If you want to delete some, if you want to change the icons, change the text, you do that in navigation settings. Application settings are just advanced features. So again, for let's say we want to do advertising, what we do, we would stick our Google AdMob code right in the application settings to integrate with the system. Newsstand properties, these are going to be if you sell like a magazine app. So for this example, we're going to ignore this. And then down here, most important one is push notifications. So once we actually publish our app, we can go in here to this control panel and set push notifications from this app to all of our users. It's a really great feature, but everything's going to be right in here, and I'm going to kind of explain all these through different training videos. But for now, we've created our first iPhone app. Now let's start editing it. You can find the next video in the training section. Thanks for watching.